once or twice, just about where that hose is playing. We haven't seen that person since. We believe it was breathing in smoke. We now know that there are more injuries than that, but we don't know the extent of them. There are fears. As you can see, residents here said that it is a sort of maze of narrow roads, and it is sometimes difficult for the emergency services to... That's right. I understand it... Okay. From the Metropolitan Police that there are a number of injuries.